Hi, my name is Dawn, and I am here to report to everybody about the National Health Enrollment Center that I've been frauded by. I purchased health insurance and I never received anything from them, any cards, any paperwork. So I called them and there's no answer on the phone. So I contacted my bank and I got my money back through my fraud protection through my account. And my bank finally did retrieve the money that they took from me back to them. And I hope that this doesn't happen to anybody else and that everybody else can get their money back. And I think a class action lawsuit would be great. Basically, I went online before it was time, before the cutoff period, started. When the cutoff date was, I applied for the insurance about a month prior to the whatever the date was, the cutoff date. I'm not sure what it was. Anyway, and so I went on the internet and I just said I wanted to get insurance, and the first thing that popped up was this company. I can't remember their name, but it was the first thing that came up. And then I got a phone call instantly. They called me instantly. And so then it sounded really great. He had this really good plan for me and everything, for me and my daughter. It was like going to be really low cost. And it was going to be like, he's like, it's the best insurance you're ever going to get. It's like, it really got you a good rate. And he gave me his name, his phone number, and his extension. And I was like, great, this is great. And so we ended the call and I thought I was getting this really good insurance, that was going to cover everything, right? And so then when a month went by and I didn't receive any cards in the mail or any paperwork, I started to get kind of leery about what's going on here. And supposedly I had purchased Aetna insurance. So I contacted Aetna and they said they had no record of my name at all, period. So I'm like, that's kind of weird because I paid somebody $400 for this insurance and I'm not even listed on your plans anywhere. And so after that, I tried to contact the insurance company that I went and paid the money to. And you can call and call and call and nobody answers the phone ever. It's an automated service and there's no extension to put in. The guy's name, he totally lied to me. There's no extension whatsoever. You would sit there on the phone for all day and nobody would answer. It would just be an automated recording over and over. And so I was like, this is great. Now how do I contact this company? And I'm just like, forget it. I'm just going to call my bank. So I called my bank and they stopped the money they took the money back from them and they were able to get it from them. And basically I haven't heard anything from that company, like sorry or nothing, just nothing at all. It's like it was just total scam. And then I heard from some other people I was reading about, like this is it's like a weird it's like a company that gives you like a little edge on the insurance. Like you can get like 2 visits a year and it's like going to cost you a lot of money and you're still going to pay this $400 and something a month. And you're never going to get any good coverage, and it's all a lie. It's just a big lie, and I can't even believe I was fooled by it, So I don't know what's happening with that company now. I hope somebody's going to like class action lawsuit them or something because I really think that needs to be taken care of like that, and I would definitely participate in that. So basically, that's it. I would like to have a class action lawsuit against them. I think that's what needs to be taken. That's a solution for me, Something needs to be done about them so they can't keep doing this to people. If there's some way of finding out who they are, then there's got to be some way that they can be responsible for what they've done. You know what I mean? No, there's no way of contacting them. The only number I had is still you get an automated recording and it says, hold the line, we'll put you through to somebody. And, you've got your wait time is da-da-da and nobody ever comes. Yeah. Because I don't know who to call, who to contact. I looked on the internet. Everybody else said there's no way you can get in contact with them. So they're hiding.